Hello guys, today I will show you how to change the color of the folder icon on your Windows PC. We want a small software for to do it. I already uploaded it to the Google Drive as a zip file. You can download it using link the description below. After the downloaded, you must extract this zip file. Then click on setup and install the software. After the install, click on finish. When you click on the finish, this tab is automatically open. Then I open a new folder. Click on this icon and browse your created folder. Then you can select any color and click on apply. I will create another folder and I will do it again and again for show you. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.